Same as yesterday. Shit kicks and elbow grease.
That explains your breath, man! What in the hell?
Looks like someone's been throwing grenades on the damn deck! What happened here?
Not sure, sir. Everyone was down deck at the time. We're waiting for official word.
Come on, fill me in. What happened up here?
No, man. They were showing Apocalypse Tomorrow in the mess hall, so almost everybody was down deck.
No one told me that was showing. That is one badass flick, man.
You know it. Anyways, when me and Fincher came up top, there were flames and shit everywhere. I think some of the Black Ops guys got into a firefight.
With who?
No idea. I heard they jumped off the side.
Jumped?
Yup. Jumped. Whoever it was is probably walking around on broken legs right about now.
Hey, Sarge. The news is starting over there. Your main man, Sergeant Duval's already got his ears all over it.
Yo, Sergeant Carpenter. This is some pretty crazy shit, Miss Pa. What? You just gonna stare at me like you want a piece of my ass?
Oh, sorry. I wasn't sure if I was supposed to say anything.
What are you, a communist? Dude, we practice freedom of speech around here.
Yeah. For instance, I'm free to say that whoever sent that encrypted signal off the South Beach is about to get a hurtin' put on him, biatch.
Copy that, bad boy. Motherfucker thinks he's gonna get picked up by the rebel, but he's gonna turn around and find our feet crammed up his ass. Ah!
Sarge, you better go hook up with the squad. They're gonna need you on this one.
Hey! If you get burned, it's my responsibility.
This morning, one of the area's few remaining skinning camps was raided and disbanded by our allied forces. Head of the Promised Hand dictatorship, Gabriel Skincoat Marino, who earned his nickname by wearing an overcoat made from the flayed skins of his camp's inmates, conveyed his total disregard for democracy and the lives of his country.
Why doesn't the general tell that Skincoat guy to go suck some balls?
He doesn't need to. The general sent us here. That's his message.
But I'd still love to hear him say it. Go suck some balls, Skincoat. Yeah!
Yeah, wait till we get our hands on him. We'll fucking show him what our fucking people think about skinning people and fucking eating people. Yeah!
Report to dropships for immediate dust off. Squads 441 through 676.
That's us!
This way.
What's the mission? Where are we going?
HQ picked up someone signaling the rebels somewhere on the Gamboo South Beach. Might be a distress signal.
Distress? Why are we sending heavy armed squads?
We just have to secure the area. That's all we need to know.
Who's sending the signal?
What are you doing?
Yeah, what are you doing?
New orders for you guys. Surveillance just spotted that skin coat guy at a cover plant northeast of here. I'm dropping you south of the hot zone. You're going down to gag him and bag him. Kidnap that fucked up asshole? I don't want his fucking coat on me.
Yeah, careful he doesn't get Stockholm Syndrome, Pesci.
You calling me a fag?
Don't call him a fag, sir!
Yeah! Just remember what I said about prioritizing, buddy.
What about it?
Do you love anyone? A woman? Your mommy?
Parents, yeah?
You hate anyone?
Why do you ask?
Because everything you feel, all these emotions like love, hate, joy, misery, all of it, they're just a series of chemical compounds and electrical impulses in your brain. Nothing more. So when you fought that bully kid for that girl you liked at high school, or whatever your story, you weren't doing it for some higher purpose. You were doing it because some chemicals were fizzing around your skull. That's it. You're an ape. A monkey. Doing whatever those chemicals tell you to do. And once you accept that, you can take control of yourself instead.
And prioritize?
Yes, but you won't be prioritizing based on how you feel about things anymore. You'll be doing it based on how things actually are. If you've got 2 men dying, save the one with the bigger gun, not the one you like hanging out with. All I'm saying is, when you step off this dropship, keep a grip on reality, buddy. Don't be one of them. Don't be an ape.